Let's go, everyone. Today we're unboxing a USB-C to lightning cable from Apple. This is double the length the normal cable. So this is 2 meters instead of 1 meter. So here's the packaging. This is for your charger that you want to be able to reach your bed when you're playing on your phone in your bed. So a lot of slack. Here we go. Made in Vietnam. All right, let's go. Let's do this. All right, some FCC certifications and compliance papers. What's this? Warranty summary. And that's it. All right, so here's the cable. It's nice how they wrap it in just like paper. No more plastic wrapping. It's just like cardboardy type paper that you just peel away to unravel. 2 meters of awesomeness. Look how long this cable is. Look at this, look at this. Let me stretch it out. So fast charging cable for my iPhone. Boom. Okay, so hard to see, but it is very, very long. So, boom, check it out, check it out. Great for reaching your bed, like I said. Cool, that's it. Hope you're all doing well. Please like and subscribe for more future random unboxing videos. Later.